This is a quick tutorial on how to clean off the dried ink on the bottom of your print head. This is out of spec with Polyprint, but I felt it necessary to tackle this problem because sometimes there can be dried up ink on the bottom of the print head. So first we'll turn off the printer. We'll grab our lint-free towel. Just tear a piece off. We'll unlock the print head, and by now you should already know how to do this. You turn the wheel to the right until you hear a click, and then you can undock the head. So now I'll grab my purple hammer. Very, very, very lightly am I going to hold this against the print head. I've done this so many times that I don't even need to look under what I'm touching because I know what's under there. So I'm just going to hold this there for close to 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds, I'm going to slightly rub the bottom of the head, like I said, very, very lightly. I don't know if it's 30 seconds or not, but we'll pretend. So now I'm just going to just very gently rub the bottom. Help me clear off any debris. If you're having problems printing any color and it's just not getting any better, this definitely is something that you need to consider doing. My head is usually very clean, and we can tell because I just have colors and really not so much dried ink. Now I'm just going to cap the print head. And again, you should already know how to do this. So we can cap the print head now for a few minutes, turn the machine on, and do a head cleaning. Very simple, easy way of salvaging parts, prolonging them. If you have any questions, send us an email, support@dtgprinterparts.com. Thank you.